Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over Novo Business Banking. Okay. The reason why I'm bringing this up is during the last couple of weeks on live streams, quite a few of you guys have asked me recommendations for business checking accounts. So I thought I'd bring up this one because it's a free account and like it says here, we're going to kind of go over all of it. And I'll tell you why I'm recommending the Novo Business Checking account. Okay. So let's just start at their website. If you're going to sign up for this free account, just use the link in the description below. It does help support the channel. Okay. It doesn't cost you anything more at all. Okay. So as it says here, business banking that saves you time and money. Trusted by 200,000 small businesses. Your free account comes with up to 95% faster payments with Novo Boost. We'll get into that in another video. But Novo is actually a fintech company. And you can see at the bottom here, it says that Novo is a financial technology company, not a bank. Banking services are provided by Middlesex Federal Savings, member FDIC. So your funds will be a completely 100% secure. This is actually quite common for a lot of these fintechs, a lot of these business bank accounts, business checking accounts you see out there are actually fintechs like, say, Novo, North One. So many of them out there, they're actual fintechs, but your money is completely secure and you don't have to worry about that at all. Novo does offer a thing where it can help you with business credit as well. We'll get into that later, but let's go over the features. No monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, free ACH transfers, and unlimited ATM fee refund. So it's not going to cost you anything to get money out using the ATM card. $1,000 in exclusive perks. I'll show you that here in a moment. And the perks are actually pretty good. And you get connections to thousands of business apps. Okay, just like here, Stripe, Square, Shopify, QuickBooks. So Novo can actually help you with a business bank account, business checking account. It can actually help you with getting funding as well. Okay. With QuickBooks, you can get funding. With Shopify, you can get funding. Square and Stripe, you can actually get funding too. So it all integrates, and the funds that you have in there, it can actually help you get funding. So don't forget about that. Not all these business checking accounts can offer that. All right. And like I said, they also have a thing where you can actually get funding, I believe, directly with Novo. So, like it says here, no hidden fees, no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. Simple, easy to use mobile apps. Apply in under 10 minutes. Human-powered customer service. Free transfers. Mailed checks and incoming wires. Integrates with other small business tools. Refunds on all ATM fees. Thousands of dollars in exclusive perks. Backed with FDIC insurance through Middlesex Federal Savings. Okay, 50,000 through their partner bank, as it says here, as it's a Mastercard EV or EMV chip technology, bulletproof security, and you also get you can get a virtual card as well that you can unfreeze, freeze as much as you want. This is just a sample of some of the savings they have, but they have like 20% off LegalZoom, 5K in waived Stripe fees. So if you're going to be using Stripe, you can get a discount on fees. They have more in the back end as well. They got the app on the App Store and Google Play. The application is quite simple. You can literally apply in 5-10 minutes. I did it. Very easy. Business email, create your password, and that's it. And hit get started. And then the application is very, very quick. Okay. Yeah, that's about it. I do recommend them. Please, if you're going to sign up, use the link in the description below. Like I said, it does help support the channel, helps me getting the content out as well, and doing all the research for you guys as well. So the link will be either in the description or it'll be pinned in the comment section. If you guys have any questions, please put it in the comment section and I'll be sure to get back to you. on that. And I'll be making a further video about the funding that you could get with Novo as well here in the very near future. Okay. Just try to say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. So if you already have a business bank account, say with Bank of America or Chase, that's fine. Go ahead and open up this second or third business bank account. It can't hurt. Okay. You never know what's going to happen in the future. So go ahead and just get another bank account. Okay. Another business checking account. Okay. Again, the link will be in the description. You guys take care. Bye bye. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.